Okay, well, welcome back. This is Richard here at Cowboy Survival. It is day 8 in our 24 days of Christmas Advent box. If you recall, this box was made by me. It has 24 cubby holes in it. Each cubby hole has a survival, bushcraft, camping outdoor kind of item in it. I'm not sure which items are in which places, but we're sort of discovering this together each day. I sort of picked out the pieces, my daughter helped me, and then I put them in here and I can't remember what's in what spot. So the first day we opened up a compass over here. Day 2 we opened up some lighters that you could put in a fire kit. Day 3 were UCO stormproof matches. Day 4 was an emergency blanket, really nice handy thing to put in your backpack. Day 5 was a Cooper's Bay lens that you can use to start fires. Day 6 was a Wazoo handkerchief with all kinds of foraging information on it. And day 7 was our mossy oak multi-tool. So let's bust into day 8 and see what we have for today. So here we go. And let's see what we've got here. Okay, so this is an Altoids tin. Why in the world would I put a tin of Altoids candies in this this Advent box? Well, let me tell you. So Altoids tins are really neat little things to have. The Altoids in them, of course, the mints are really great. I prefer the wintergreen. There's spearmint and other flavors, but the mints are kind of the attraction, I guess. But for those of us who spend a lot of time outdoors, once you've eaten the mints, the tin is really, really useful. You can use the tin for a lot of things. I use the tin for storing a fire kit in. You can also, I use the tin to make and to store char cloth. So these tins are great for making char cloth. They're also great for storing char cloth. I like to make my char cloth actually in bigger batches. So I actually got a cookie tin down at Dollar Tree that I use. It's pretty big. But this can also be used on the trail to make char cloth for you. In addition, this can be used to store a lens or any other thing in it. I actually have another video, and I'll show some clips of it here, where I took this, I put it in cardboard, filled it with waxy paraffin, and then what I did is I made a sort of little mini camp stove out of it. So multiple uses for an Altoids tin. So I would suggest you consider Altoids tins as a great little stocking stuffer for your outdoor person. Not because of the mints, but of course because of the uses for the tin once it's done. I've got these things all over the house and I use them for a lot of things. They're great for storing stuff. Just put a little Granger band around them and boy, they can store a lot of cool little things in it. You can make a mini emergency kit out of it, a mini survival kit, a mini first aid kits. You can do a lot of things with these things. I tend to like to take them, if I'm going to do a first aid kit, I'll paint it red and put a little white cross on it. That'll make me know this is a mini first aid kit that I can get to really quick. So that's what we've got. Item number 8, December 8th, the Altoids tin as a stocking stuffer. They're about $2.50. You can get them at Walmart, you can get them at Kroger, you can get them at the Dollar Tree store. Actually, my Dollar Tree doesn't sell them, but I can get them down at Five Below, which is another great place to get things like this at a really inexpensive price. So go get you a couple of these, put these in as stocking stuffers because the tins are absolutely invaluable. Well, that concludes day 8, December 8th of our 24 item Advent box. Remember, the last 3 items we did were all pretty cool. We had the Altoids tin, we had the Mossy Oak multi-tool, and we also had on December 6th, we had the Wazoo neckerchief or handkerchief or bandana, whatever you want to call it, that has all the foraging information on it. All 3 really, really great little gifts that I think you could get to put into somebody's stocking. Now, granted, the Mossy Oak multi-tool might have been a little expensive for a stocking stuffer. It's more in the $40 range, but it's still a great, great item. So we'll see you in the morning. Remember, each one of these videos comes out at 8 o'clock each morning during the month of December. We've had 8 of them, and they're in a podcast right now, so if you want to go back, you can watch all of them. Items like this, if they're sold on Amazon, I'll put a link to it down below in the description. I'll also put a link to the very first one of these, so you can start watching them in order. I'll put that down in the down in the description as well. So if you like the video, please give us the thumbs up, make some comments. What are some suggestions you have? And keep watching, because maybe your suggestion will pop up. We've still got, this is 8 days, we still have 16 days to go in our 24-day Advent box of Christmas. So you never know what's going to pop up. You want to watch every single morning to get that great idea, that one thing you haven't thought of, that maybe this will be the thing to put in somebody's stocking for Christmas that they'll really just absolutely love. So in the meantime, stay strong, stay prepared, have a blessed day. We'll see you real soon right here on Cowboy Survival. And by the way, Merry Christmas.